What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally SKETER 6S out. What I'm doing, I'm gonna test her out again. It seems to be riding pretty good with my setup, but it sits way too low to the ground. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it like this, and then I'm gonna put it back to its regular stance, the regular tires. And I got some parts for it. I got arms because I broke the lower arm, and I got some parts for that now. So I'm gonna just run it like this, see how it works out. But let's get into it. See that low stance? This would be a good street car though. Steering is off. Right. Reverse. It looked mean like that though. I give it that much. 6S Pirate, baby. It won't hold a wheelie, but it does have some push to it now. The steering is so. What's that clicking noise? Whoa! Ooh. It's a tire blew. Damn. The pivot ball popped out and everything. I'm glad I got the extra part. Something was telling me to put it back to its factory arms on there. This is the dimensional arm, so it's not the upgraded one. That's why this stuff happened. Dog bone popped out, tire blew up, pivot balls popped out. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC.